Hey, beautiful souls. Thank you all for tuning in. I pray that you all are having a blessed day so far. As you can see, we have an absolutely not only delicious looking, but delicious tasting meal. Today we have some honey jerk turkey wings, oven baked to golden perfection. Then we have some sweet potato mash, used coconut milk in there. So the Caribbean is all up and through this plate. And then we have some sweet plantain fries garnished with Parmesan cheese, parsley, and red pepper flakes. Everything came out delicious. The turkey wings are tender and amazing. All right, so let's wait no longer and let's get into this recipe. All right, so we're starting off with cleaned turkey wings, cleaned in vinegar and cold water. And now what we are going to do is we're going to get some seasoning on these and pop them into the oven. Now, as you guys would have heard in the intro, we are making Jamaican honey jerk turkey wings. Ooh, doesn't that sound delicious? I have a seasoning blend here that has the Sazon tropical seasoning that I love if you've been keeping up with my videos. Garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, and a little bit of cayenne. Actually gonna drizzle a little bit of oil on these first. All right, and now we're gonna get the turkey wings into the oven on 350. And I think I'm gonna let these cook for about 2.5 hours. All right, so now we're gonna get started on our barbecue sauce. And this barbecue sauce, that's where I'm going to be putting in the Jamaican honey jerk seasoning. All right, so what we have in here is scallion, cilantro, parsley, a very little bit of carrot because I had some carrot in the fridge and I thought that's fine, right? Then I have some diced onion, some minced garlic, hot pepper, thyme. I'm gonna let this saute until the carrots are tender. We're gonna go ahead and add Jamaican honey jerk seasoning. We're gonna add the apple cider vinegar. We're gonna add ketchup, stir, stir, stir. Then we're gonna blend it up and we're gonna have a beautiful and delicious barbecue sauce. This smells fragrant. It smells amazing. So I'm gonna taste this just so I can see what I'm working with. Oh, that's very good. Nice. I'm gonna add some of this one. I'm gonna go with some water. And now we're just gonna let this sauce simmer. I'm gonna put it on low heat. All right, it's covered. All right, I turned this on medium heat. Yum. The turkey wings are doing their thing. They have another hour and 41 minutes left to go. Okay, so we are going in with the sweet potato in salted water. Once that gets soft, I'm going to add some coconut milk, and then we're gonna mash that up with some coconut milk, butter, black pepper, garlic powder. Very, very simple. All right, so these are my sweet plantain fries already cut up. And now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna make a butter sauce. I'm gonna coat these in the garlic butter sauce and then put them in the oven to bake on 400 for approximately 30 minutes. So let's get to this butter sauce. I'm gonna add a nice heaping amount of butter. While the butter is melting, I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt, some black pepper, smoked paprika, garlic, coat the sweet plantain fries in this mixture. I'm gonna make sure it's evenly coated. So I have parchment paper lines here. And I'm just gonna line on a baking sheet, a baking pan per se. And now we're gonna get this in the oven on 400 degrees. So yes, I have the turkey wings in here, which is perfectly fine. I'm actually gonna pull those out now so I can get the barbecue sauce on them, and I'm gonna pop them right back in. All right, so the turkey wings are out and looking absolutely delicious already. All right, and now what we're gonna do is get some of the barbecue sauce on the turkey wings. All right, then we're gonna flip them. Look how good that looks already. Look at that. Let's get the turkey wings into the oven. Do it for me. All right, these are fork tender. I'm gonna go ahead and strain it. Some butter in the pot, adding back the sweet potato. And remember, we're gonna add coconut milk and some seasonings. A little bit of coconut milk, some black pepper, a little seasoning salt, and I'm using Sazon Tropical. All right, these sweet plantain fries are looking delicious. We're gonna go ahead and flip these over. All right, these are flipped and ready to go back into the oven to crisp up on the other side. Oh. Look at how delicious that looks. It sounds nice and crispy. So you can also make these in the air fryer, which is a great alternative. And I have these on 400 for 15 minutes. That is so good. I'm gonna sprinkle a little of the seasoning mixture that I made over the fries. This seasoning mixture. Parmesan Romano cheese. I have more because that's not sufficient. You do not have to add this, but I'm gonna add red pepper flakes. All right, and now we're gonna get these, sweet plantain fries back in the oven, and then we're gonna plate it up. Let's get into it. Ooh, ooh, ooh.